In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate Cricket Wireless SIM card. First thing first, locate the SIM tray on your phone and insert the Cricket Wireless SIM card carefully. Restart your phone once the SIM is in place. Now open a browser or on your phone, go to cricketwireless.com/activate. The page will ask whether you are a new or existing Cricket customer. Choose the option that applies to you. Now if you purchase your SIM or phone directly from Cricket, enter your order number and phone number which found in the order confirmation email or packaging slip. If you bought your SIM or phone from another retailer, enter your ICC ID, the number printed on the SIM card, and enter your IMEI found in your phone settings under About Phone or on the box. The website will guide you step by step. Just confirm your details and submit. Once complete, your Cricket SIM will be active. Just restart your phone if prompt, and you should now see Cricket Wireless service bars on your device. Just a tip, if activation doesn't work right away, check your SIM card is seated properly and ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Cricket's network.